Hello everyone, and welcome to my first video in the category called CauchTips. And today I'm going to teach you how to use Windows 10 debloater as a tool to optimize your gaming experience on Black Squad and other games that are heavily dependent on good CPU. Pretty much the short story is, if you have a game that doesn't really uses a lot of your processing power from the GPU, your CPU is going to be the sole actor whether you get good performances or input lag or whatever. So download it from GitHub and we'll be right back. The tool is called Windows 10 debloater, and I'll link it in the description of the video. But pretty much all you have to do is go to the link provided here. There's going to be a code button. It might change depending on when you watch a video, but most likely it's going to stay around the same. So you click on code, download a zip. Alright, so once it's open, you're going to extract it into a folder, most likely the name of the repo itself, so you know where it is. So just put it somewhere you can remember. I put it in desktop. So these are PowerShell scripts, and so you're going to need PowerShell to run these. If you haven't run PowerShell before in your Windows, open up your search and search for PowerShell, and then right click and run as admin. And what that's going to do is make it available to your system. So you're going to come back into your folder, you're going to right click, and you're going to click run with PowerShell. And so once it's open, you should see this video pop up. The way it works, you're going to go to customize blacklist. And the way it works is you pick the services that you know you want to have removed, and so by default a lot of them are going to be checked, and it's most likely going to be a lot of Microsoft stuff, pre-installed stuff like Facebook and whatnot. I don't even like really use Facebook anymore. It's still installed, you know, somehow. Candy Crush, all that shit in the background. Some stuff you might want to leave on. As you can see, there's different sections, and so some stuff are not going to be able to be removed, obviously. But if you, for instance, want to remove web media extensions or store purchase apps or whatever, if you don't use a Microsoft Store, it's always good to have options. And so what I usually do is I go through the list and make sure that everything that is checked is stuff that I want to have removed. So Windows Store is going to go, Xbox stuff is going to go, MS Paint, whatever other shit that's there. And as a developer, I need to be aware of stuff like Eclipse that's going to be disabled, and so I might want to uncheck that. That sounds about right. And once it's done, go back up. You're going to save custom whitelist and blacklist to custom lists, and it's going to be in your folder right over here. And once that's done, you're going to hit remove bloatware with customized blacklist, and it's going to run its little thing. It might take a while, but at the end it will say bloatware removed. Then you can disable Cortana. It doesn't work 100% of the time. I just do it anyways for good measure. Edge PDF takeover is annoying, so you might want to check that if you want to remove Edge as a PDF viewer. And these options might cause errors in the GUI, but they're not actual errors. It's just because permissions are denied. It doesn't really matter. Most of them are going to work. And then you want to hit remove bloatware reg keys to prevent certain apps from coming back up at restart. And Windows is very tenacious, especially whenever it installs stuff with updates and whatnot. Some settings get reverted, so you might want to keep running this tool every once in a while to keep up if you notice any performance drops at all afterwards. And here, that's pretty much going to be it for me, guys. I just wanted to thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy those type of videos. If you have any more suggestions, feel free to comment on what you would like me to cover on a more technical aspect, and I'll see you next time.